hear the commotion, and that's okay, 'cause we're in motion. I can feel the sway. There's nothing to fear, my friend, oh no. It's the natural rattle. And when the ground is shaking and the thunder roars, I wouldn't worry, it's just a storm. I just let my body pause to the natural rattle. So unwind but don't unravel. We can't help but be a little fragile through the clatters inside and crackles, all the sounds of the natural rattle vibrating us all. The natural rattle vibrating us all. Hear the rocket all day and night. The world is noisy, and that's alright. Every sound is just a piece of the natural right.